What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back on the mission where I order knives from companies I've never ordered from before. And sometimes I order knives I know I'm not going to like, and this might be one of them. Reason being, I know the scales are made of FRN, and I don't like FRN, but I do it for science. I do it for you. And who knows, maybe it'll be freaking amazing. Maybe it'll be my favoriteest knife ever. And or maybe not. But I'm going to think positive. We're going to get into this thing, okay? So let's unbox it. All right. So what do we got in the box? We had, oh, in case I didn't say it's honey badger. Did I say that? Might have. Um, Number, color, picture. Cool. Anyway, is this a sticker? I'll check it out later. That might be a sticker. Anyway, and if this knife sucks, I'm not going to keep the sticker. Some of that. A booklet. What's in the booklet? More badgers of honey. Whole bunch of them. Yeah, just a sales pitch. We have a tool. That's kind of cool. You don't get tools too much. And here it is. It's a smaller knife. It's not a big knife. It's going to have crappy scales. I know that. Yeah. It's got honeycomb pattern on it. That's cool, right? Yeah, it's FRN. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's okay. It's all right. Anyways, let's open it up. Okay, good action, but all right. You can tell it's got jimping on this hard-ass FRN, and be careful when you're opening it, because, yeah, it kind of peeled my finger there a little bit. Okay, let's look at the blade. So, did I mention this is $39? Just in case I didn't mention, it's $39. So, it's in the realm of budget, which is also a rule. Satin finished blade, little clip point, almost looking like a Bowie, almost kind of, sort of, but it's a clip point. Jimping, we got some weirdly placed. Oh no, it works. Okay, I get it, because you got the jimping on this plastic. I mean FRN. You got some jimping there, which is totally different pattern than jimping here, which is totally different than the pattern of the jimping here. So 3 different types of jimping. Oh wait, some more on the back spacer. All different spaced out jimping for your pleasure. Anyway, so let's see if it wiggles. Sure does. Look at that. Nice wiggle back and forth. I'm smiling. This is a happy. Okay. See how it shuts? Okay. Finally a positive. Let's try that again. Drop shut. Perfect. Okay. Nice and drop shutty. Good. The action's decent. We'll give it to him for that. Hear that? That's a mic right there. You guys hear that? Beautiful. Sound of quality. See if I can reverse flick. Yeah. Underwhelming, but you can do it. Okay. I'll give it to him on the action. It's decent. Let's see what we're working with. Let's look at some stats while I'm sitting here crying in my lap here. Blade length 3.25 inches, overall 7.25. The wonderful 8CR13 MOV steel, clip point, flat finish. I'm sorry, flat grind, satin finish. Handle length 4, so about 7. I already said that, 7.25 overall. Anything else important besides this FRN? Liner lock, we went over that already. All right, let's close it up. Is it centered? Sure, it isn't. Yeah, look at that. Look at that wiggly. All right. Okay, let's look at this beautiful FRN. So, like we said, honeycomb pattern, all kinds of different jimping on here. Let's feel the clip. Okay, the clip's good. Reversible clip, is it? Yeah, and it's one of those deals that slide in there. So it is deep carry, so you can hide it from your friends because you don't want them to see you carry this thing. Sorry, honey badger. I'm not bashing you. Yes, I am. Let's think of the positives. Pretty decent action, except for when you're closing it and it wiggles. Wobble. Let's pinch this. Oh yeah, nice and bendy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So that's the honey badger. What's the part number on here so you guys don't order it? I don't have a part number. If you see this on Blade HQ or one of these other websites, yeah, go ahead and avoid it. And if you want it, let me know in the comments. I'll send it to you. I'm not even gonna put this in a giveaway. If you want this, what's a nice word? Turd. Let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll just send it to you. Especially if somebody who comments, regularly. Wait, look, check it. Wait, hold on. Check out the jimping on the flipper there. All right, smooth. There's your jimp. So you got your jimping right in a perfect spot, right there. Holy shit. This thing's ridiculous. It's got a honey badger picture on it. That's kind of cool, right? So yeah, don't get this knife and try to do any work with it or open it or anything crazy. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, thank you to my veteran brothers and sisters, all the active duty folks out there. Be safe. I love you all. And see y'all next video. Hopefully something doesn't suck. Later.